Welcome to Global Frames. Take a moment and imagine standing at the edge of a world that has existed for nearly 2 billion years. A world above the clouds, where the winds whisper stories from a time long before humans ever walked the earth. This is Mount Roraima. Rising from the heart of South America, its towering cliffs stand like the walls of a forgotten kingdom. From a distance, it almost doesn't seem real. A giant stone island, floating in a sea of clouds. For countless generations, indigenous people have considered this mountain sacred, a place where legends were born and where nature still holds its deepest secrets. At the summit, the landscape transforms into something extraordinary. Ancient rock formations, crystal clear pools, and unique plants found nowhere else on Earth. Every step feels like a journey into another world, a world untouched by time. Scientists believe these rocks are among the oldest on our planet. They have witnessed the rise and fall of continents, the evolution of life, and the passing of ages beyond human imagination. Standing here is a reminder of how small we are and how vast and beautiful our world truly is. Some places are destinations, others are experiences, but Mount Roraima is something more. It is a glimpse into Earth's distant past, a place where reality feels like a dream. Thank you for exploring this incredible wonder with Global Frames. Until our next journey, keep exploring, keep wondering, and never stop discovering the extraordinary stories hidden across our planet. This is Global Frames, and we'll see you in the next video.